Hi, I'm Carlo Casoni again, the corporate chef of Francesco Mutti Sauce. Today we prepare a recipe with fresh noodle. The first step to prepare a very nice recipe with noodles is to boil water with salt and fresh noodle instead of the ready to cook noodles. That is a portion is around 60 grams, and you cooked in a boiling water just for 3 minutes. In the meantime, you cook noodles, fresh noodles. I prepare the sauce with vegetables, a little bit of oil in a pan, and mushrooms, slice, zucchini in dice, a little bit of broccoli, boiled before, carrots, sliced, and a little bit of celery, and capsicum mixed, yellow, green, and red. Little bit of basil, but it's just for add more flour at our sauce. And today we use with noodles our tomato and basil cheese sauce. That is a ready sauce with vegetables and herbs and spice inside. We saute for 1 minute the vegetables. Then the noodles are ready. We put with fresh vegetables. Saute. And we add our sauce. That is a nice recipe to use our fresh noodles, because Italian people and European people like to eat very pure and natural, and our sauce is absolutely pure and natural. Okay, and we're ready to prepare the plate. That is very simple sauce and very nice recipe to prepare in a few minutes. Don't need to add any decoration because there are a lot of vegetable, and just to light a little bit of oil. That's it. This is vegetarian noodle. Buon appetito.